Dr. Sebi. We're speaking of sea moss. How do you prepare sea moss, and how long can you keep it in your refrigerator?
Sea moss, if you just take the sea moss and you boil it, and keep it in the refrigerator, and every day you want to use something, you just, oh, incidentally, when you boil it, there may be a little bit stringy in there, some of it, when you pull some off, but don't throw away that pulp. Put it in the blender and blend it up, and it blends to liquid again, and you mix it with the other one, put it in the refrigerator, and every day you want to use it, take a little bit out. I use sea moss in soup. I make pudding out of sea moss.
Do you add anything else to it other than sea?
Oh, well, of course, depending on what you're going to do with it. Like in the soups, you put all the condiments of a soup. But if you want to make a pie, you put the condiments of a pie, like the vanilla, a little bit of cinnamon. Oh, well, there's only one sweetener that could be even allowed in the body. Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Grade C. Maple syrup, grade C, M-A-P-L-E, grade C. Yes, sir.
Grade C only, right?
Grade C.
Okay, fine. I had to answer that question. As you know, in the West Indies, they use other kind of adjectives, like cream, sweet cream, and stuff like that.
What you say in the West Indies?
Yes.
They put milk in it.
Yes.
They call it ice and glass.
But as you know, it's no cream at all, right?
I live in the West Indies. I'm part West Indian.
But no cream at all.
No, sir.
Thank you.
No milk. That's adulterating it.